Did you know that learning is dependent on experiences? So here you see a 5-year-old, and their brain is 90% that the size of an adult brain by age 5. You've heard that expression, right? That kids are like sponges absorbing everything that they experience. So that knowing that makes us understand that we have a very small window in order to make a difference in our children's lives, in their future. We have 5 years. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next slide and show you the brain cells. So these are brain cells. And like I said, learning is dependent on experiences. With every experience you give your child, the brain cells connect. Okay? If you repeat that experience, they connect again, making that connection even thicker and stronger. And then you give them that experience again, and look how much thicker that connection is. And repetition creates memories. So we know those experiences are helping our children's brains grow through learning through these experiences. Now, the thing is, by age 10, whatever connections that haven't been made or any weak connections that are there, the brain will all on its own start cleaning everything out. Now, that doesn't mean that your child will not be able to learn after 10 years of age. It just means that it might be a little more challenging. So remember, the first 5 years, we need to give our children as many experiences as possible. Now, an example of an experience might be I take my plastic pool out, fill it with water, throw toys in there, and play with my child. So it's not just playing, but it's learning. So by filling the water up or the pool up with water, it's math because you have to estimate about how much water is going to fill up the pool. Then it can be science too, like what toys are floating, what toys are sinking. It can be vocabulary. So wet and dry. And then a perk would be maybe if your child is kicking, then your child is developing their gross motor skills. I just wanted to make the point that these experiences are so much more than just playing. They are actually learning.